So Sonny, big job. What have you done so far on this house?
So this job we completed last year. We done the full house glazing over here. Big gable window, front door, all the windows around here. There's some sliders at the back as well. And this was done last year, and now we've got a little project at the back going on today.
So what's the job today?
Yeah, so we've got the guys working in the background over here. Client's making a gym at the back. Stole 6.5 metre bifold, 5 metre bifold as well. Yeah, so it's looking good. It's nearly finished now.
So what's next in the project, Sonny?
Yeah, so next is over here, we've got glass balustrades going on over here, roughly about 20 meters. So we're going to measure that today and hopefully get this in about 2-3 weeks. So that's next.